Based on the Hiace Commuter Bus, TGS has created a panel van capable of transporting cargo safely and securely. We've reinforced the interior of the Hiace by adding plywood to the inside of the body panels and replacing the rear windows with metal panels. We've also fitted aluminium shelving to add storage space for additional supplies, increasing the utility capabilities of the vehicle. Our Hiace is available as a 2.5 litre with Toyota's 2KD engine, and also as a 3 litre with Toyota's 5LE engine. Our high roof variant is also available with a 2.5 litre 2KD engine. Let's have a look at the features in this utilitarian conversion. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in to check out the new panel van conversion. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so thanks to all of you who have supported us so far. Every addition counts to help us reach that goal. See you next time.